to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I thought I would do a makeup video for you guys. I haven't done one of these videos in a bit, so I thought I would do one today. I've got an idea on sort of my phone that I kind of want to do, but yeah, it's kind of a green lid with kind of a sunset crease and everything like that, with a little bit of highlight in the corner of my eye. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing today, and I just thought I would try something different and show you guys what I use and all that. The thing that I'll be using today is the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer. And I think I got this ages ago, but it was too dark for my skin, but now we're in summer, so I thought that I would try it out. So I've got a thing here that I put some concealer on. I'm just going to put a bit more on, see what it looks like. So I'm just going to carve out my brows. So I put this down, just do a line underneath my brow. And then my parts. So that's what they look like now. You probably can't really tell that well. That's it. My brows look really good today. I'm proud of them. You know when you just have a good day at doing your makeup. And today's one of those days. And now I'm going to set this down, the concealer down, with some powder. So I'm going to be taking the Rimmel Stay Matte. Oh my god. Rimmel Stay Matte powder. So I'm going to put that all over on top. So I'm just going to be taking the Real Techniques domed shadow brush. I can't believe it's 2018 now. I'm so excited. It's my last year at high school. I'm really excited to just have a really good year with my friends. I really want to focus a lot this year on like more on myself and like friendship, not a lot on friendships and everything this year. I want to really work hard on my studies and everything like that, because I do want to get a good grades and set me up for college and everything like that, and figure out what I want to do. But I'm super excited. I'm really sad though. I'm going to miss my friends that left last year. About to say this year. It's 2018. Okay. So now I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow. So it has the colour that I want, and it's kind of orangey brownish. It's the Australis contouring palette, and I'm going to use that one as my transition shade. So this one's just going to be all over above my crease and everything like that. And I'm going to take this synthetic eyeshadow brush. It's really nice. So I'm just going to take some of that. So the next thing that I'm going to do, that's how I speak now, I'm going to put that green on. So I'm going to be taking the CHATTT Matte Glamorous Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to take that green. I don't mind it. I reckon I'm going to deepen it up. Just going to blend and bring it. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my face. I finished some of my eye. I'm going to go back over it at the end and put some more colour underneath my eye. So the foundation that I'm using today is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I always use this one. I'm wearing it again today. I don't usually wear foundation all the time because I don't like how it feels on my skin. It feels super thick, and that may be because of what I'm using. I might find some other products that I like better, but yeah, I usually just use concealer at the moment if I'm doing kind of light, but since this is like a glam kind of look, I thought I would use this. I'm using a brush for this instead of a beauty blender. This is the Lab 2 Triple Threat Multi-Purpose Brush, so I'm just going to put this all over my face. I don't know. I'm just going to pack that all over. This is a bit more tan. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go straight in with concealer. I use the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer. I love Maybelline's products. I love them so much, as well as their lipsticks and everything like that. So yeah, I love this, and their Light Leisure, which I use under my eyes, and then this one's for my foundation when I use this for foundation. This is the Sand Sabai. Okay, so I'm going to put this under my eye. So like now I want to start doing more makeup videos, because I feel like I didn't do any last year, and some of you guys like seeing makeup videos, and it's nice to like change up. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This one I love. It's super, like, it soaks, like, not soaks into my skin, but it's really soft, and it has up to 5 hours natural shine control with natural minerals. I think that's what makes it feel so nice on the skin, and it's really good for setting under your eyes and stuff like that, but also your whole face. So this is a 004 Sandstorm. I have very oily skin, so it just really sets that down really well. I'm going on with my bronzer, so I'm taking the Savvy by Designer Brands Sunkissed Bronzer. Circular motions. Oh, I'm using the Real Techniques brush, if you're wondering. As I mentioned before, I didn't finish off my eyes, but this is what they look like, dark going to orange. I need to blend that bit up. But I'm just going to go put some under my eyes, and I'm going to take the green and blue colour. So I'm going to put green on this outer corner and then blue in here. This little flat top fluffy brush, and I'm going to put the green in here and then the blue in. And I'm going to take this colour blue, that one, sorry, and I'm going to put that in the middle. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara over the top. I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl Flamed Out Mascara, a fanning brush, and I'm going to use my Saks Cosmetics one, so I'm going to take those two together and put them all over there on my cheekbones. Okay, so here is the look. This is what I did today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. It was different and I like it a lot. It's darker, yeah, it's super different, and I really like it. And if you guys like these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe down below. I'd love it if we can get to 400 subscribers soon. And yeah, I hope you guys loved this video. I will see you guys soon.